Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn bread rolls with the stuffed potato recipe. A snack that can be made in a jiffy if you have leftover boiled potatoes, and these bread rolls are a favorite at home, and usually pair them with the evening chai as a snack. As it's going rainy season, you can prepare as an evening snack, and kids really love after they coming from school. They will be enjoy this bread rolls if you prepare, and very easy to prepare also, and a good snack that quite easy to make. So to make bread rolls, here we using potatoes, but you can also use mixed vegetables as a stuffed inside, and rolled and shallow fried and baked or tawa fried. The preparation of stuffing is just very simple and needs only mixing up the ingredients, but here I little fried them because I used garlic and ginger paste. So to come over from the rawness, I just fried them. Ingredients required are: we need 5 to 6 slices of sandwich bread and 2 medium sized potatoes, that is aloo, and half tablespoon dry mango powder, and half tablespoon crushed black pepper, and half tablespoon red chili powder. And we also need 1 green chili chopped, 1/4 tablespoon garam masala powder, and 1/4 tablespoon cumin powder or jeera powder, and half tablespoon chaat masala, and 2 to 3 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, and a ginger garlic paste half spoon, and salt as required. And you can also use the carrots and peas as per your taste. And now coming to preparation: boil the potatoes, and when they are still warm, peel and mash them and keep aside. Now add oil to pan, and then jeera and ginger garlic paste, and sat well. I'm doing it to come over the rawness of garlic and ginger. And now add smashed aloo and sat again. Here we adding all spices: salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and a little turmeric, and everything. All spices will be added. You can add amchur powder also. So after that, add peas if you like, and mix well again, and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. And taste and add more salt or spice powders if required. It takes hardly 2 minutes to prepare this stuffing if you have boiled potatoes in hand. Now take it to bowl and cool to room temperature. And after that, make all stuffing to round balls and keep aside. Now take bread and cut the edges. Now take a slice of bread and damp it with water, and squeeze the water from the bread immediately. Do it immediately, otherwise the bread will be broken into pieces. So you have to do it carefully. Immediately you have to squeeze the water. And place the filling in the center of the bread, and roll the bread, and close the edges so as to get an even outer cover, like this. So make all bread rolls this way, and keep aside. And you can also roll these bread rolls in corn flour, dry corn flour, and otherwise directly you can heat oil in a kadai or wok and fry the bread rolls till they become crisp and golden in color. You can also do shallow fry in pan. So that takes a little oil. Drain the bread rolls on kitchen paper tissues to remove excess oil. Serve the bread rolls with tomato sauce or green chutney and enjoy your evening, that is rainy evenings, with this stuffed potato bread rolls. Here we used normal sandwich bread, but also we can also use multigrain bread, or you can also use whole wheat, brown, or even white bread, and even a bread 2 to 3 days old also works well. And the stuffing is almost similar to the aloo paratha, and except that we can use peas and carrots in this recipe. So very easy to prepare, and the kids also really love to have them. And as I said, rainy season is going on, just prepare it and enjoy your evenings with this bread rolls. So this is for today. I hope you like my video, and I hope you also prepare and enjoy. So keep watching my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.